Alrighty, today I excel. We are in 7th grade and we are doing, let's see, geometric measurement. So that is Y. We'll do Y2, area of rectangles and parallelograms. Well, a rectangle is a quadrilateral and it looks like that. The area of a rectangle is length times width. A parallelogram, how I remember them, is a shape that has two sets of parallel lines that will never intersect, ever. That area has a formula as well, base times height. So let's do some practice here. Oh, they started off good. All right, so we need to find the area of this parallelogram. All right, the area of a parallelogram, I said the formula earlier was base times height. So the base here is the bottom. What's at the bottom? Base bottom, 10. Okay, so I'll just replace B with 10, okay? Multiply that by height. The height here is how high, how tall something is, right? Your height, how tall are you? How tall are you, honey? Do you know? The height is equal to 6. So the area is 10 times 6, which is 60 square feet. So let's see if IXL agrees. Okay. So we need to find the missing length. We are given a parallelogram, okay? So what do we know about a parallelogram's area? Parallelogram's area is equal to base times height. So let's fill in what we have right now, okay? We know the area is equal to 56 feet squared. So I'm just gonna write 56, okay? What is the base? Remember, the base is what we see at the bottom. The bottom, the bottom. Okay, so the base is 8. And the height, how tall something is, we don't know. It's equal to P right now, okay? So we need to find out how to get P by herself because that's the missing length, right? And as we see, our answer says P is equal to something feet. Okay. So to get P by herself, let's multiply. What is 8 times P? Well, 8 times P is just 8P. And the beauty about that, to get P by herself, I need to undo the operation. So to undo the operation of multiplication, I need to divide. And what we do to one side, we do to the other. 56 divided by 8 is 7. And 7 is equal to P. Good job. All right, what's the area? Wow, this is a beautiful square. What's the area of a square? Length times width, okay? So the length, 4 times 4, which is 16. What's the area? Okay. So we have here a rectangle. What's the area of a rectangle? Length times width. Our length is 12.3. Our width is 18.1. I'm gonna smack that in a calculator. And she gives me good job. All right, find the missing length. We gotta do it again. So we have a parallelogram. So let's write the parallelograms formula for area, which is base times height. Okay? We're given the area, thank you, which is 361. I'm just replacing what we're given, okay? Base, the bottom. What is at the bottom? Z, good job. Times height. What is the height here? Remember, it's how tall something is. So it'll be the 19, okay? Z times 19 is just Z19. Because the number can't change, you just gotta put them together. And to get Z by herself, I need to undo multiplication. So to undo that operation, what do? We divide by Z? No, we're trying to find Z. We're gonna divide by 19. And what you do to one side, you better do it to the other. That crosses out. Slap that in my calculator. 361 divided by 19. How beautiful is 19? And 19 equals Z millimeters. So let's see if we're right, and we are, and I'm good.